One day, a boy named Musa was sitting with his mum when he asked, "Mum, why can't I see Allah?" His mum replied, "Musa, Allah is not a thing that we can see." Musa then asked, "Mom, if I can't see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then how do I know He is really there?" Hassan's mum smiled and told him to pinch himself. Musa was a good Muslim and listened to his mum. He pinched himself lightly without asking any questions. "Ouch! That hurt me," he said, as soon as he had pinched himself. Musa's mum started looking all over Hassan, looking for something. "What are you looking for?" asked Musa. "I'm looking for the pain," said his mum. Musa looked confused. "But Mum, you can't see the pain," he said. His mum smiled and said, "Just as I can't see the pain, but the feeling is there. The same way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is there even though you can't see Him. Even though you can't see Allah, you can see all the things that He has created by looking around you."